Welcome back office executives. In this particular Excel video, I'll be discussing over a topic that imagine a scenario in a particular company in which DTP employees will be paid according to the hours and minutes they have worked for. So how to find out? So for hours will be, if we just simply will be writing int, that is will be concerned with the integer value only. So 190 divided by 60. So if the decimal, I mean whatever decimal number comes after dividing the hour by 60, that would be ignored, only the integer value will be printed. So that's 3 hour, and for minutes we will be using the mod function. So mod returns the remainder will be 190, that is the number, and we will be dividing it with 60, and whatever the remainder is, so that is 60 plus 60 120, 60 plus so 60 plus 6 is 18 180, so the remainder will be 10, so the answer will be 10 minutes. So mod returns the remainder, and the second argument, that is the 60, it is the number with which it is being divided with. So we are having 10 minutes. Now we'll be selecting all of these cells, and we can use the autofill feature, or we can simply use Ctrl D to so 3 hours 50 minutes. So here is the result, and now we'll be having the rate per hour, or and then the rate per minute, and we'll be multiplying it. So maybe payment, if I say pay, and maybe the payment is for hours, it is 12 rupees maybe, and for that's very small amount. So for hour we are having 150, and for minutes the company is paying, means it is paying maybe 25 rupees. So we can easily find out the pay by using equal to sum of the hour multiplied with the hour value, that is 150, and we will be locking this cell. So function F4. So if I drag all the way across to the down, then G2 would change to G3, G4, so that this particular G2 the hour value doesn't change. I am fixing that particular cell. So sum of this, comma, minutes multiplied by 25, and again we'll be pressing F4 from the keyboard, close the braces and hit enter. It's 700. So 30 plus 150 into 3 equal to 150 star 3, so it's 450, and 25 250, so 250 plus 450, yeah, it's 700. Now we can select all the way across to the down and then press Ctrl D, or we can simply double click in here. So that's the payment he is getting, 700 rupees, 1700 rupees. When we can apply the number for from here in this particular section, we can, so Indian rupees is not being shown, so I'll be going to the mode accounting, and from the symbol section I need to search for it. Okay, so English is still going on, Spanish, French, okay, fine. So I'm still searching. Okay, nope. So let me scroll down a little bit more. Yeah, here it is, and hit OK. So we are having a nice looking sheet for what payment I need to do. I mean what payment is to be ruled out for the DTP employees for this company. So for hour we use the integer function, and for minute we use the modulus function to find out the minute. That's all for this short video. Thank you all guys, and see you again for some other Excel video.